Good afternoon, students. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to do digital annotations. The article that we're looking at is called Losing Steam, 7 Ways to Stay Focused as You Continue Working from Home. So one of the first things you can do to do a digital annotation is highlight. So you're going to go right here. I'm going to highlight the first thing. When you first learned you would be working or doing school from home, were you thrilled? So I'm going to highlight that. And then I'm going to click over here on this little button that says add with kind of like the talking icon. And so when you click on that, it's going to allow you to make a comment. So I'm going to put here, I thought that working from home would be fun, but it's actually very boring. Okay, that's one way to do it. And then I'm going to comment there. The other way that you could do it, you could, let's say you can't figure out how to do it because you're doing it on your phone, but I still wanted to comment on the same thing. I could change the text font to red and put the same thing. Thought that working from home would be fun, actually very boring. Okay, so the same thing. So you can see in the document where that's your comment. You can also highlight things. So for example, create a home office, because this is going to give me 7 ways to keep motivation at home. And I think that's really important. So I'm going to highlight this part. I'm going to go up here to the highlight button, and I'm going to do a nice bright yellow to highlight that. And then I can see that. Now, ideally, you're highlighting and then you're also commenting as well. Okay, so you can highlight and then you can highlight it again. The other thing you can do if you like to use your keyboard is you can hit Control Alt M and the comment box will pop right up. Okay, so I could put for here, create a home office. I need to set up a workspace, a house, be focused for school. Okay, and so you can do that. The other thing with commenting is, let's say you're scrolling down and you read something that is helpful. Okay, so maybe it says like have a clock off time, and so that connects to you for your home office, thinking that I need to have some kind of a schedule. So you could go back up here and you could comment again. You can comment on your own thing. You can reply, and you could put part of my home office should be a schedule with breaks, and then you just reply. And so then you can comment on your annotations. So that's a pretty easy way to do it. And you can always go back and look at it. And that is your short little video on how to do digital annotations.